wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today's video is another speed clean with me and I hope it will give you some cleaning motivation. So grab a cup of coffee or tea and relax, or get up and clean along with me. Today I'm starting in the kitchen and I'm just putting away all the clean dishes and collecting all the dirty ones so I can wash them later, and then I'm going to do the same on the dining table. After I do that, I will wipe down the table with Cif Power and Shine all-purpose cleaner and wet cleaning cloth.
That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view.
Now I'm starting on the dishes. I always hand wash those because we don't have a dishwasher. Washing and putting away the dishes was my chore growing up, so I'm used to it. We never had a dishwasher, so I don't feel like I need it at all. Tell me in the comments if you hand wash your dishes or you have a dishwasher.
That's just my point of view. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
While I was washing this pan, I decided that it's time that I throw it away because the paint started to come off. This one is a very cheap one, so it was kinda expected. Now I will move to the stove top, and for scrubbing that I'm going to be using my ARF Scrub Cream Cleaner.
We're reaching for
Now I'm just wiping down all the counters and I'm using the same cleaner as for the table. Usually I use my homemade cleaner, but I already had it in the living room, so I didn't feel like going up the stairs just for this small space. After I'm done with that, I will move to the sink, and again I'm using our cream cleaner. This product is amazing for scrubbing the sink.
Reaching for stars. I wonder where you are. Oh.
Now I'm just going to sweep the floors in here, and then I'm done in the kitchen.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubts. 'Cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter.
I already started a load of laundry before I started filming, and that is done now, so I'm going to start another one and I will hang both of them later. Moving into the bedroom to make our bed. My boyfriend was still sleeping in the morning when I woke up, so that's why I'm making the bed now.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubts. 'Cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really.
I hung some clothes on the radiator last night and now they're all dry, so I will fold and put them away, and after that I have another big pile of laundry to fold, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Moving into the bathroom, and I'm starting with the toilet. I will leave the cleaner in there while I clean the shelf that we have above the sink. On here are some things that we use every day, or I don't have space to store them anywhere else. We have almost no storage space in there, so it's really hard to organize all the things.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Now I will actually clean the toilet and the sink, and when I'm done with that, I will collect all the clothes that are on the floor and also all the towels and put them in the laundry room where they belong, and at the end I will also mop the floors.
Yeah, I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
For mopping, I'm using my Villera spin mop, and I fill it with hot water and I add vinegar and few drops of dish soap.
Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
And now the laundry is done, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang that in the living room.